Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll explain the TransUnion credit score range so you know what your score means for your financial health. Step 1. Know that TransUnion credit scores typically range from 300 to 850. Step 2. Scores between 300 and 579 are considered poor. Step 3. Scores from 580 to 669 are fair. Step 4. Scores between 670 and 739 are good. Step 5. Scores from 740 to 799 are very good. Step 6. Scores 800 and above are excellent. Step 7. The higher your score, the better your chances for loans and credit approvals at good rates. Quick tip: improve your score by paying bills on time and keeping credit card balances low. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching. Voiceover script. TransUnion explained. Vantage Score versus FICO. Confused about the difference between Vantage Score and FICO? Let's clear that up fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain the key differences between the Vantage Score and FICO credit scoring models to help you understand your credit better. Step 1. Know that both scores range from 300 to 850, but they use slightly different formulas. Step 2. FICO is the most widely used by lenders for credit decisions. Step 3. Vantage Score was created by the 3 major credit bureaus to compete with FICO. Step 4. Vantage Score tends to be more inclusive, scoring consumers with limited credit history. Both scores consider payment history, credit utilization, length of credit, new credit, and credit mix, but weigh them differently. Step 6. It's normal for your Vantage Score and FICO score to differ slightly. Quick tip: check both scores regularly to get a complete picture of your credit health. If this helped, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.